Meaning of fateful.
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 Fateful. Fateful means having important and often negative consequences. Something that is fateful can determine the course of events in a profound and often irreversible way. For example, a fateful decision or action could lead to a significant change in one's life or the lives of others. The outcome of these decisions or actions can be life-changing and have major consequences that cannot be undone. The word fateful implies a sense of destiny or inevitability, or an event or action seems predetermined to happen. It often suggests a turning point in a person's life or in history itself, where events take an unexpected or dramatic turn.